2007 BMW 335i. Still got factory converters up there on the manifold, then secondary converters there. And we got a factory resonator there, then 2 1/4 pipe, and we put 2.5 inch tailpipes on it where the muffler was, muffler delete, there and there. And there's a giant muffler over there. And reused his tips. He didn't want to spend money on the tips for now. He would bring it back and we'll put some tips on it for him. There's the muffler delete. That's what it looks like on these guys, 335i. And like always, guys, please subscribe. I don't know where. What do you guys think? I like it. It's really deep. You want it louder? Get that resonator taken off. There's sound decibels. Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Then we got this one next to look at. We'll let you guys see it in a second. Not bad. 2007 BMW 335i. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 335i. Muffler delete. Sounds at an idle.